room tour. Yay. So when you first walk in, you have the gorgeous bathroom. Look at the little blue box. So cute. And then look at this mirror. It's totally awesome. Hi, I'm burnt. Look already. That's great. It's really great. You got like the reusable stuff. Very cool. Very Disney-like. I like it. Also in the shower, very nice. It's got like a footrest where you shave your legs. How cool is that? Nice. Very nice. Very nice. And then another big mirror here with a light I think you can use. Aha, right there. Very nice. Little like hooks to hang stuff. And just so you know, this is all mine. Ridiculously all mine. Ironing board, iron, mini fridge, little storage thing. 2 queen beds with gorgeous like gray background. Love it. I'm being really extra. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just really tired. But yeah, they're really soft. Spencer's just breaking them in. Aren't you, Spencer? Yeah. Yeah. And then, yeah, huge freaking TV. Huge. A nice like floors, not like nasty carpet. That's a plus. Mini desk to like save room. Oh, there's a trash can over here. And then I think, so yeah, this will come down somehow or another. Ah, this way. Nope, wrong way. Yeah. And then gorgeous view of the highway. Very nice.